Hello everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open a checking account with Addition Financial Credit Union. So you can do this entirely online and it's a fairly straightforward process. So let's begin. So simply open up your browser and go to the Addition Financial Credit Union website. So once you're there, simply navigate to the checking account section. So this is where you can find all the information about their checking account options. So guys, Additional Financial offers several checking account options. The free checking account, which has no monthly fees and no minimum balance. The classic checking account, which offers a $50 incentive when you meet certain requirements. And the benefits checking account, which offers a $100 incentive when you meet certain requirements. So simply click on the account that best fits your needs to learn more and start the application process. So once you've selected your desired account, simply click on the Open Account button. So this will then redirect you to the application form. So you simply have to complete the application by filling in your personal information, such as your full name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment information. And after entering all that, you will then be prompted to set up online banking credentials. So simply choose a username and password that you remember. And finally, review and accept the terms and conditions to proceed with your application. And once you've completed all the necessary steps, submit your application and Addition Financial will then review your information, and if everything is in order, your new checking account will then be opened. So guys, once your account is opened, you can then access it through the Addition Financial's online banking portal or mobile app. From there, you can then manage your account, set up direct deposit, and more. So it's really that simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.